actually a little park off to our left here. See the picnic bench up in there. They call that the Harry Gittens National Park. Cousin Harry, he's a cousin of mine. This here is owned by the Dietering family, which was on my grandmother's side. If you've ever heard of Dietering Orchards, it's part of that. My uncle, who owns this particular piece of land, owned about 5,000 acres right in here. And I grew up just a mile that way. So I had a big playground.
That's sweet.
So anyway, Cousin Harry was married into the Dietering Orchard side of the family. And he actually worked at Georgia Pacific, but when he retired from the sawmill, he liked to come down here and fish. He lived just a quarter mile from here. And anyway, in the Willamette River, we've got lots of different types of fish. We have rainbow cutthroat and red-sided trout. We have runs of salmon and steelhead. Near slewhead, you might find a smallmouth bass. We also have sturgeon in the river. But Cousin Harry didn't fish for any of those. This hole right here is what we call a chub hole. Chub are kind of a white fish, sucker fish, good for nothing except corn fertilizer fish. Well, old Cousin Harry decided one year to see how many he could catch out of this hole right here. And he'd come into the hardware store there in Harrisburg and give me an update every couple weeks. Well, one year, he caught 495 chub out of this hole right here. And the thing is, with Cousin Harry, we know they weren't ever the same fish twice because he didn't believe in catch and release. He believed in catch and check over your shoulder. So if you smell something fishy, might be one of the 495 fish up there. Nest on top of the power poles there, and there's a bird off to the left of it. That's an osprey nest. So we have the largest nesting area in the world for osprey here in Oregon. They're part of the falcon family. They show up here right about the 1st of April every year. They nest here, and then they head out In fact, I'm kind of surprised they're still around, but they're about ready to head south for the winter. They migrate clear down to the around the equator. Ecuador is their primary wintering spot. But you'll see their nests out in the open like that. They like to build their nests out in the open so they can watch the river and stuff for fish. That's their primary diet.
He's looking down here like, what are you guys doing?
Yeah, he don't like me much, but I've interrupted his lunch once or twice.
I had a pair of them at the U of O, top of one of the light things.
Yeah.
They had a webcam on it.
Yeah.
A couple of babies.
Kind of cool.